Hey everyone, another self-isolation bonus video, and I'm going to show you what I think is the wackiest feature in Creo Parametric. I don't understand this feature. I have never figured out what it's used for. I don't even understand how it works. I'm going to show it to you. And it is called the radius dome. And this is a command that does not appear in the Creo Parametric interface by default. It's from the class of anatomic features. And I did one other video on the lip feature, which I actually find kind of useful, but for me, local push and radius dome are just two nutty kinds of features. In order to have these commands available in the interface, you have to change a config.pro option. If I go to File Options, Configuration Editor, I have an option turned on. Wait, I think I just passed it. It's about anatomical features. Allow anatomic features. That's the name of the option. You have to change from the default value of no to yes, and then you'll be able to locate these different commands in the command search. And you can see that there are features like ear, neck, slot. But let's go to this radius dome feature. Let's click on the command, and because they've hid these features in the interface, they also have not updated the interface for these, and you're going to have to pay a lot of attention to the message area. Right now it's prompting me to select a surface to dome. Let's put a radius dome on this surface over here. Now it's asking me to select a datum plane or an edge. Why is it asking that? I have no idea, but I'm going to select the datum plane called front. And then it asks you for a radius for the dome. It's suggesting a value of 10. Let's just use that value, hit the enter key, bam, and there we have. That is the radius dome. Let's turn off the datum plane display. So what did it do here? I have no idea. Let's take a look at changing the dimensions associated with this feature. I'll click on it in the model tree and then use the edit dimensions icon. And then lo and behold, there's this other dimension over here. I didn't enter in a value here. It just gave me this other dimension 4.78. Let's take a look at what happens when you change it. Let's say I change this to a value of 0. And then click on the background of the screen so it regenerates. All right, can't really see anything there. Let's make this bigger. Let's make this a value of 10. Hit the enter key. And now it's sort of like domed in a little bit. Let's change this to a value of 5. And okay, wow, look at that. And then it's much different over here. And what is up with this shape as it goes around the feature? And right now we have a value of 10. Let's try changing this dimension. Let's change this to a value of 5. Oh, doesn't like that. There's some minimum value it has to be. I think for this geometry, I think 6 is, nope. Let's try 7. And still doesn't like that. Let me see if I can hit regenerate. Yeah, it's still failing. Let's change it. Let's change the 7 to a value of 10. That one's okay now. And try changing it. Well, if we did a value of 20, you know, it's different. And this can also have negative values. Let's change this from 20 to a value of -5. Oops, forgot it's got that minimum value for some reason. Let's make this -10. And now it goes down into the model. So again, that is the radius dome. I have no idea what this feature does. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you enjoyed this video, hey, hit the subscribe button. You know what to do. Thanks a lot, and stay home, stay healthy, stay safe.